Welcome to another video on Weekend Vibes with Shornett. As you can see from my hand, I have some really nice potatoes. And today I'm going to be making sweet potato pudding. And puddings are very popular in Jamaica. So I want to try making this potato pudding. So keep watching to see how I'm going to make it. So I have 6 pounds of sweet potato. So I'm thinking this will give me like 2 nice size 9-inch potato puddings. I'm going to add in some cocoa, and I have a nice coconut here that I'm going to use in my potato pudding. So these are the main ingredients. So guys, I'm going to get these ready. I'm going to grate the potato and the cocoa, and then I'm going to be blending this to extract the juice from the coconut to use. Okay, so I'm finished grating the potato and the cocoa. So I'm gonna get ready to prep the coconut. So keep watching. So we're gonna get the coconut ready to extract the juice. So here are all the ingredients that I'm using. So I'm gonna let you know everything that's on my table. I have the potato, and this is grated potato. Some flour. We have nutmeg, mixed spice, and cinnamon. I have some salt, sugar. This is raisins, melted butter, vanilla, and coconut juice. That's it, milk from the coconut. So I'm gonna start adding in and combining all the ingredients, so keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna add in the sugar. Spice, salt, I'm just folding in the flour. I'm adding in flour and milk. I'm just stirring just to ensure the lumps are not there. So I have 2 grease cans ready, so I'm gonna pour, and these are 9 inches. And the mixture is nice and ready. That's the texture. So I'm just gonna pour it in. Okay. So I have 2 9 inches put in. I'm gonna put them in the oven. The oven is preheated at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna bake them for 1 hour and 20 minutes. I just took them out, guys. They're not fully baked, but I'm gonna pour some milk on the topping to get a nice, I want a nice soft top. And then I'm gonna put them back in. Trying out my potato pudding. Tastes real good.
It's always nice to discover something you weren't expecting. After a trip on the ride down here, a lot of people say they're able to just relax and get rid of a lot of stress. This can only happen on the natural like this.
I love potato pudding. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment, like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
This is a great way to enjoy it, to connect with